Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share and show and teach how to set up a radio frequency and to save it on your car stereo. It's simple tips and tricks to share with you. So check this out. Okay, so we are here. This is just an ordinary car stereo. So this is how you to set up. First, you search anything you want. If you check it here, I save it already. But this is how you save it. Let's check other frequencies. It's not saved. This one, it's not saved here. If you see this, all frequencies on the bottom, these are the ones I save already. Okay, this one it's not saved. We will save it. So all you have to do is just steady, push some buttons steady, and it will save automatically. Okay, so if you want this frequency to put here, so click this one, steady, then it goes there already. Okay, so if you want to go, so this one I set up already. This is a Filipino, this from the Philippines, 91. By the way, I'm here at the UAE. I set this one already, this 103. It's volume. Then this is the one we set up. This one, another one we will try again. Okay, this one, 90.3. There's no 90.3 here. So if you want to save this one, just steady, push the button, steady. There it go. So that's all guys for today. Check out my more videos for some simple tips and tricks in everyday life. Always remember, always think positive. Bye guys.
وحتى المستقبل القريب والبعيد.